who I am. Well, that's who we are today to tell you a little bit about who I am and what my professional life is like. Hi, my name is Mirle Cedillo. I was born on August 16, 1989 in the city of Guadalajara, Jalisco. I have a 22 years old and currently live in Culiacan, Sinaloa. As a person, I consider myself a very nice person, social, but also a little shy. Some of my favorite hobbies are that I like to spend time with my family, hang out with my friends, listen to music, and exercise. I love animals, sushi, and Italian food, as well as I can tell you a little bit about some things I don't like cockroach, cold weather, and unpunctual people. Now I will tell you a little about me and my family. My parents are Miriam Bierman Tostado and Leon de Jesus Hernandez Cedillo, who have two sisters and older, one named Daniela Cedillo, who is 25 years old, the younger one, Rene, who is 14 years old. Currently, my parents are divorced, but they keep a good relationship between them. My dad lives in the state of Guadalajara with my sister Renee, while my sister Daniela and I live with my mom and grandmother in Culiacan, Sinaloa. Some of the positive experience in my life that I would like to share with you that were specifically meaningful to me was when we took a family trip to the United States. We were visit Universal Studios and the two world parks, the Disney, where we were able to meet different characters. We enjoy and love of the experience as a family. Another of my positive experiences taught myself. I went on a different trips with my schoolmates to Chihuahua, Cozalá, and Guanajuato. It was a lot of fun and we were able to experience things together. Academically speaking, I had the opportunity to be at several schools. Some of them were Colegio Azteca. We were in Spain relatively almost all my childhood since I was there from kindergarten and all of elementary schools. As for my high school, I spent a year on the Nora Institute where I made my student trip to Chihuahua. And when I finished this year at this school, I entered the school Niños Héroes where I finished high school and received recognition for participating in a singing contest of the Mexican National Anthem. As for my high school, I finished it at the CNCU University and I currently am the Tech Millennium University studying my career in industrial engineering. At this point, you made me wonder, I know, what was or who I decided to study industrial engineering. Well, one of the main reasons why I chose my career was because I wanted to overcome myself, changing my weakness, in my case are mathematics, because I want to take advantage of my strength and my great dedication and motivation to get ahead and get not only personal growth but also academic, where I hope to fulfill my dream on getting an important job within a company or feeling that I can create my own business, where I hope to have my own time or feeling that's a good organization and balance between my professional and personal life, and that be releasing for fully this goals to share this calling to people to show them through conference that's everything you dream you can achieve if you believe in yourself And finally, I want to leave a very important phrase that John Wooden says considered the best training of the NACCA. Do not let what you cannot interfere with you can do. Thanks for your time. Thanks for your attention. Have a great day.